Are you trying to decide between Google Workspace and Microsoft 365? You are not alone. Many people face this choice for their work and personal needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular productivity tools. Both help you stay organized and connected, but they have different features and strengths. Google Workspace is all about collaboration. It offers tools like Google Docs, Sheets, and Drive. These apps work seamlessly together. You can easily share files and work on projects with others in real time. It's great for teams that need to work together, especially online. On the other hand, Microsoft 365 has a long history in the business world. It includes familiar apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These tools are powerful and feature rich. Many users appreciate the advanced options available for creating documents and presentations. Microsoft 365 also offers cloud storage through OneDrive. Now, let's look at the key differences. Google Workspace is more focused on online collaboration. It's simple and user friendly. Microsoft 365, however, provides more robust features for offline work. It's perfect for users who need advanced tools. When it comes to features, both have their strengths. Google Workspace shines in real time collaboration and ease of use. Microsoft 365 offers more complex tools for document editing and formatting. Pricing can vary. Google Workspace typically has a straightforward plan structure. Microsoft 365 has different options depending on the apps you need. So, which one should you choose? If you value teamwork and online collaboration, Google Workspace is a great fit. If you prefer powerful tools for document creation, Microsoft 365 is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.